Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a full comparison of Cash App versus Coinbase in 2025. If you're trying to decide which platform to use for buying, selling or holding crypto, this video will help you make the right choice. Let's start with Cash App, originally known for peer-to-peer money transfers. Cash App also lets users buy and sell Bitcoin directly within the app. It's super easy to use, perfect for beginners. You can invest with just a few taps, and funds are pulled straight from your balance to a linked bank account. What makes Cash App great is its simplicity. There's no complicated interface, no learning curve, and you can even withdraw Bitcoin to a personal wallet, which a lot of other beginner apps don't offer. However, it only supports Bitcoin, no Ethereum, Solana or any other cryptocurrencies. Now let's talk about Coinbase. This platform is built for crypto. It supports dozens of coins from Bitcoin, Ethereum to newer tokens and altcoins. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, but it also offers more advanced features like staking, recurring buys, charts, and even Coinbase Learn rewards for watching short educational videos. Coinbase also has a pro-like interface for advanced users, better price tracking, and more detailed transaction history. The app is ideal for both beginners and intermediate traders who want to access more than just Bitcoin. When it comes to fees, Cash App charges variable fees depending on market conditions, but they're not always transparent. But Coinbase, on the other hand, has fees, and they can add up. But they recently simplified things and now offer zero-fee trading on some plans or for recurring buys. Still, both apps aren't the cheapest for frequent traders. So, use Cash App if you're just starting out, only want to invest in Bitcoin and want a simple, familiar interface without any extra noise. And choose Coinbase if you want access to multiple cryptocurrencies, more features and learning tools, and don't mind a bit more of complexity for more control. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.